Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Today's video, don't mind this baby hair, I have to fix it. I don't know why like that's bothering me. Today's video I'm gonna be going on a date. Me and my boyfriend go to the movie. Subscribe to our channel. But today I'm showing me getting ready, because you guys love my get ready with me. Y'all love to see what I'm wearing and stuff. So I know y'all saw the last video, well some of you guys saw the last video of my baby shower, right? I was gonna wear that white jumpsuit, but I ended up wearing it. I feel like I want to wear it today because I look cute. I don't know if I want to wear that, honestly. I don't know. We're gonna see. So I have that, and then I have like, I could wear that with my Alexander McQueen's like I was supposed to wear in the first place, or I could wear the other cute top with these Alexander McQueen's. So yeah, I have like about an hour probably, so because Kevin's getting his haircut right now. It's gonna take some time. I already got my eyebrows, like I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna just do my face over because it's kind of like blotchy because I was rushing. And I already have it like quite sure what I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna bring it over here because this, I don't feel like doing all that. The first top is this cute little shirt. It's mad cute. I got it from Adika. Adika, you should sponsor me, by the way, because I love your store. They just opened up in New York not too long ago. It's this cute little corset top. It ties at the bottom. It has little cups for your boobs, and it's mesh. Like at this, it's mesh everywhere but the cups. So that's cute. I like this a lot. This was $34, size small. This top's from African Mall. I'm really like going towards this one because it looks so cute with my sneakers. Now it's just reflective and it says KL Alien. I'm tired of seeing that though on mad stuff because that's so stupid. Like, why do you say that? But I'm gonna still wear it. So thanks African Mall for this, because yeah, look at the back. I know you're probably like, really guys, look at the back though. And I have this other shirt that I was gonna wear. It's similar to the reflective one, but I'm not gonna wear this no more. But it's dummy cute. Like, this is really cute. But yeah, so I'm against those two tops. This one and reflective. I'm gonna find some jeans to wear. Guys, so I'm on my bed. My mom had just washed my sheets, so it's not made up. But I just found these pants outside my closet. It's super easy. I'm just gonna wear these with my gray fur jacket. Y'all gonna see the vision because I see it in my head. So yeah, these are called the Tear It Down Skinny Jeans from Fashion Nova. They're medium blue wash and they're size 0. I forgot I even got these jeans, honestly. Alright guys, so here is the gray coat. I never wore it, so I'm gonna wear it today probably. Alright guys, I have pasties to put here, so yeah, don't worry about that. But this is cute. Ooh. Oh guys, look at this one. This one is really cute in person. Probably on camera looks weird, but OMG, this is so cute. No way. This is cute. Okay, this is cute. Mad cute, like. Guys, I might have to wear this one. It's a done deal. Well, I'm sorry. Let me get ready now. Hurry up, get ready. Guys, I swear the hardest part for me, that's where y'all not far. The hardest part, no, yeah, too close. The hardest part for me is trying to figure out what lashes I want to wear because I want to wear the biggest ones. And I literally never wore these lashes, and these lashes is like everything. Yeah. People might be scared to wear those lashes, but those is like me right there. Like these are the lashes I used to be scared to wear. Can y'all see the difference? Look how small these lashes are compared to these ones. You could stack them too, but I'm not that bold. That's just dragging it. I don't.
Oh, you got until 1 o'clock, Mama.
I know, but I'm waiting for Kevin. That's not taking my time.
Okay, you and Kevin. Where y'all going? I hope you're going local. They're gonna call me saying the train, because it's about to be 8 o'clock.
I know, I'm waiting for him.
But just keep it local.
Oh, I don't think I could go to the movies. She like, I hope you're going local. It's not AMC Theater, that's local. So me and Kevin is gonna have to watch the movie then come back. And it's like, it literally is about to be 8 o'clock. It's 6:52. I don't know what Kevin's doing, but he needs to hurry up. These are cute lashes. I like them. It's taking my long OMG. R.I.P. Pop Smoke. You know, that's really tragic what happened to him, because he was really getting up there and then people just want to knock him down. Like, that was really crazy. To finish it off, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Matte Magic, what does it say? I don't know. Mist and Set. Y'all see I love this lip combo, so I've been doing it a lot lately because I don't know, I actually like it too. Change your plans, guys. I think I'm gonna wear this shirt. I don't know, but I can finally use this Tide to go mini stain thing because I got a stain. Finally gives me a reason to use it. Y'all can't even see the stain because it won't focus on the stain. Whatever. Wait, what? Directions. Where did the license? Where did it effing go? We need a bag now, but hold on, I'm trying to see if I like this fit. I need a freaking, what I need? Oh, I need a purse. I'm like, I need a freaking, like, girl, say what you need. Alright, basically, oh my god, it's so tilted. So, now I need a purse. You're gonna pick it out for me. I already know which one I'm gonna wear, actually, so I'm not even gonna pick it out. It's literally right there. I had this purse earlier. I'm about to switch into this one. We finesse, we finesse. What I'm about to do, oh, let me close this. Y'all already know I was going finesse. Don't even try to act like y'all ain't know. So here's my purse. Bam, boom, shaboom. And I'm gonna just clip my AirPods because it's gold anyway, so it goes with the gold purse. I'm gonna just clip it to my purse. Cute. Alright guys, we're about to be out. Back again. Alright, so my jacket is from Shop-NYC. It's something like that. I don't remember the name. My shirt is from African Mall. My chain is from Antio Apparel. It's from my collection. I'm sorry my camera is tilted. Y'all gonna have to tilt your head because I do a lot of work. So tilt your head for me. Thank you. My jeans are from Fashion Nova. And then my shoes are from Alexander McQueen's, the reflective ones. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. And my purse is from Shein. So, we cute right now. We cute. Oh, my case is from AliExpress. You guys always ask me. AliExpress. So, period. We finna go. I'm gonna see you guys at the date. Alright guys, so I'm walking now, right? This guy in his freaking car keep looking at me like, don't even try me, because I got a taser and pepper spray. Which one you want? Matter of fact, which one you want first? And I'm gonna do both, just for fun. We here.
We're about to start calling us all type of shit.
Okay guys, so I messed up. I thought it was AMC because I'm used to seeing AMC movie. It's Regal. So, and Kevin doesn't want me to pay for the movie tickets, so we're not going to go to movies.
No.
We'll go to movies like next time.
You've been saying that for months, boy.
I think he's up on Friday. We could go on Friday if he wants to. But we can't go. Because my mom was home at 1 o'clock and she already told me not to come to the city, and I already did. So,
why you said she don't come to the city?
because she said I'm gonna get home late because the trains, they be stopping at certain times. So yeah, we're gonna go to Olive Garden now and just eat. You don't want that?
Man, I said if you want it, we going in.
But why are you doing that then?
Because I like doing that. That's just me for Olive Garden when I hear it.
So you don't like Olive Garden?
I'm not a fiend of Olive Garden.
Alright, so what else do you want?
Babe, we going to Olive Garden. That's it.
Whatever. Anyways, I'm getting Olive Garden.
You're not a BBQ girl.
Ew. guys, so we're about to cross the street.
And in Hollywood, look at
These streets take that long in Manhattan. Like, OMG, get your hands off me.
I told you my hands.
OMG, don't do that. That's bad cold. So everybody like my jacket. I'm like, let me here. Wait, where is it? I'm mad excited to get food. I'm always excited to get food.
But she never eat it.
I never eat it all. No. Whatever. No.
You think you're fire? You think you're fire?
I am fire. Don't do it. I'm telling Carolina to say that's my birthday gift free cake. He like, no. He mad weird. Open the seat for your girlfriend.
Sure.
Like, get into him. Like, you're not even a gentleman. Like, OMG.
Homie?
Thank you.
I can't deal with who?
You can't deal with me.
Stinka-boo-boo, stinka-boo-boo, stinka-boo. You don't want to talk now? Huh? Your eyes look red. That shit weird.
Oh, Nami and Bay is far apart.
I'm coming over, sit over there.
No, because they don't want to sit over next to me.
Right way.
Okay, guys, this is chicken. This is a 5 cheese dip with the chips to go with it. We have the jumbo strip that I'm gonna eat by myself, and buffalo wings. And then this is something that Kevin likes. I don't know what that is.
I don't know, but we're gonna see.
You like that?
Alright, copy.
Alright, guys. So we ate it all. No, we didn't eat it all. I'm just playing. We taking it to go. But Kevin ate most of it, so. Alright, this is his favorite right here. Right, babe? It is currently 11:12. I mean to hurry to get back home because I got to be home at 1 o'clock. Alright, guys. So we just finished my little mini photo shoot or whatever. Kevin, you taking pictures at? Alright, take them right there then. Alright, guys. So let's get our pictures taken real quick, huh? Yeah, I sound like a real New Yorker. You feel me?